Does the justification for a classification as you have in Title IX, male, female sports, let's take, for example, an individual male who is not a good athlete, say a lousy tennis player, and does not make the women's and wants to try out for the women's tennis team. And he said, there is no way I'm better than the women's tennis players. How is that different from what you're being required to do here?
It's not all different, Your Honor, and that's exactly what we're concerned about, that their arguments about needing to make exceptions from an otherwise valid classification for people for whom that classification doesn't make sense, those arguments don't limit themselves to people who identify as transgender. Many males could say, I can't really compete with the women's basketball team, and therefore I should be able to try out. And I haven't seen an answer from the other side as to why they couldn't, beyond, I correct myself. They say that, well, those people don't face the same dignitary harm as transgender people. But I don't see how that's relevant to the intermediate scrutiny analysis. The analysis is this classification substantially related to a legitimate state interest? The person's reasons for wanting to violate the classification don't come into the analysis.